Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy Devi again. I would like to welcome you to my channel, and on this video I just want to bring out a new TRX. The app, it is called Tron Gold. It is like another version of ETHEREUM Gold. As you know, now things are just jumping into TRX because of the high gas fees in Ethereum. So this DApp is exactly like ETHEREUM Gold, and so far the contract has got this amount of TRX, and this is the amount of US dollars that has been deposited. So far it started yesterday. Now over 45,000 US dollars has been deposited. This is where my tokens are. I just started 30 minutes ago, and I've so far bought this, and these are my dividends I've so far got. In TRX, these are the dividends, and these are the TRX gold that I've so far got from the dividends. So your link will come here. You can copy it and paste and send to your friends. Now, after joining it, what you'll need to do is you'll come to this section of buy. As you can see now, each TRX gold token costs 20 Tron. When I got in, it was around 19 Tron, but it has increased to 20 Tron. And my friend, when he got in when it was 8 Tron. So the price is appreciating, and that is one way of also of earning value to your Tron. So you just put in the amount of Tron that you want to start with here, and then you click on TRX on the buy button. So it will direct you to your wallet. For those of you who are using a Tron Link wallet or Tron wallet installed on your laptop or desktop, it should be already open so that the contract just connects to the wallet and you'll be able to buy. And another thing is that the contract, the transactions are very fast. They are very fast. Just take within a minute, the tokens will be available in your back office here. So the contract, it is verified. You can check. They have a Telegram channel here. You can click on it, and also click on the contract here. It will take you to Tron Scan, where you can be able to check it out. Now I don't know how to read the code. Guys, if you know how to read the code, you can read that code yourself, but it is verified here. You can't give it to a third party and he reads the code for you. So those guys, and there is also a Telegram channel here. Telegram in web. I'm using a web version of Telegram, so this is the Telegram channel. You guys can follow it up and see. And remember, it is a 10% in and 10% out. For example, when you're getting in with an amount of Tron, they will deduct 10% in when you're entering and 10% out when you're getting. So that's how the contract makes money. It is like Ethereum Gold, exactly the same concept, but this is the Tron version of it. And I'm thinking this thing is going to work because very many people have been limited on joining Ethereum Gold because of the high gas fees, but here there are barely any gas fees, so it is going to catch up very soon. So I'm going to leave the channel, the link to the channel in the description of this video. My link to my file link also, I'm going to leave it. You can check it out, and also any other information. I'm going to make some tutorials on this also as we check it out. So if you want to leave the contract, you can leave any time that you want. Just go here and click on sell. You enter your amount of gold tokens. For example, I have 101. You just put here 101 and you click on exchange tokens. So they will be sent to your wallet, and you can leave the contract in peace. So you can leave anytime, you can join anytime. That is the Tron Gold. So I would emphasize you guys to enter now when the buy is still low. Remember, there are people who got in when it was 8. I got in when it was 19 just a few minutes ago. It has increased to 20. So the earlier the better. So yeah, that's what I had for this short video, guys. See you in another video.